Hi, this is Bill Tainter doing a market review for Wednesday, October 19th. There was 3:30 Great Britain news. The US at 7:30 building permits was a little bit mixed, kind of crazy, and I'm going to show you a couple of charts here and some trades that I did today. Had kind of an exciting day. Let me see if I can get you some of these charts. Hold on just a second. All right, so here's the Euro US dollar, and I just want to start out with last night at Tokyo. Take a look at this. It was at 37.28. Look at this. It punched through there. Let me change this line quick. And you know what? I was exhausted. It was a long day, and I just wasn't there checked in mentally to do battle, and so I just couldn't do it. Rules are take the trade. 37.28 is a 3-channel. Take it. And guess what? Lined up perfectly with that. At the same exact time, the U.S. Swissy was at 9,000, and I'll show you that. Look at this. Last night, look at this. This was at it was below, coming up to 9,000. The euro was above, coming down to 37.28, and I would have made 150 pips easy on those guys. I just couldn't do it. So forgive me, but look at the setup and the rules. Perfect. Touches and explodes off of there. Now here's where I did wake up. I woke up in this area, and I'm watching. I'm drawing my lines. I'm looking. Here's 38.27, and I see the trend is up, and look how it came back and it broke this horizontal support, and it's a session open, and then there's a little bit of news pops, but then look at how it's struggling, and it just couldn't get new highs. I'm like, it's done, it's over. And look at here, it breaks the trend line and it breaks the support line, and I parked a sell right here at 38.27, like right here. Well, look, it just dropped like a stone. I was so mad because I was right there and I'm looking at it, and hindsight, you're taking a shot here. One approach is you set up chart trader above and below, and if it just free falls, that's a good rule, right? Set up chart trader above and below, and if it bounces up and fills you, great, cancel this one. If it drops like this and you miss this one, great, at least you're in it. So good lesson learned. You got to be sharp, you got to be fast, you got to be ready to set that up, and look at it, it just dropped like a rock. So my analysis was perfect. The trend was over, it's turning, it broke a cluster. I just was waiting for the retest, never happened, dropped. Guess where it dropped? 37.28. So I was able to pull some profits in here, and this one disregard because it's not there. So here we go. So we're pulled off 13 and 14 right here on this bounce. I'm still in. I moved my stop loss down a little bit on another chart, and it's this guy. There it is. So pulled the profits. Look at this. End of the U.S. session, bounced just right off of there, and then it just came right back down. So I moved my line below this cluster. So I'm still hanging on. See what happens. And so that was today. And then the Swissy, I see all this going on in the euro, and I missed it coming down. Fine. Guess what? I waited for the Swissy to pop. Here's a red. Bounced. U.S. news and everything going on. Bounced through again, and now it's above. During this news, see how it swung around and then closed above? So I quickly parked a buy. 5 pips above the red, 9,001, exciting. Pulled off 19 and 18 right here, and this chart, it's right here. I think, or no, hold on, I might have the second chart. This guy. Yeah, the lines are right there. So let me push that over a little bit. There it is. So there's my 2 lines, and I just took it off at the top. See this? I mean, it's struggling at this point, right? So look at the top of Asia, the top of the London, the top of the US, and sure enough, look at this. It popped off of there hard. So I'm glad I took my profits there because it came back, and then now it's punched up. So I'm going to buy on the Swissy and I'm going to buy on the euro. I got to be right on one of these guys, you know. So here's where I sit: 33 here, 10 on the euro, 33 on the Swissy. Took some good profits. So today, Monday I had 230 pips. Today I got a few nice ones. Let me pull it in here and show you. So that was the 17th, the 19th here. I got 64. It shows right here. 64 pips are banked, and they got these two are running, so should be out good. Monday I had the euro yen, did a red bounce, pulled off 230, and so I'm excited. Dashboard, I'm up 452 pips, and today is the 19th. So now I shift gears. I get more conservative, more aggressive. Don't take them both off early. Try to stretch it out and really maximize it, since I crushed my goal. And now I'm ready to stretch the legs out here and really see if I can get some things running. I do have 6 red bounces parked, and so we'll see if anything hits. The news is going to be coming up here at 7:30, and there's Great Britain news overnight. So I stayed away from all the Great Britain pairs, but we're going to see if we can get this Swissy to pop up, and the euro might break through the 37.28 and head down. But I'm not going to make any assumptions. I'm going to let the charts tell me. I don't want to get too biased, and I've done that before. I've closed out trades because I think it's going to do something. I've been dead wrong. So I'm just going to follow the rules. Okay, so that's a quick market review of some things that happened today, Wednesday the 19th, 2011. You guys have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.